All right, so here anyway, this is what you get. You get a head that you connect to this right here. And then they get a little bit smaller one here, right? Comes with a USB-C to C and an extra battery. All right, so here you have the body itself, and if you look inside, you've got a filter that's loose. We get one handle with 3 extensions, and we get our booklets here explaining how to use this thing. So let's go ahead and get those out of there, because we're probably going to need that, right? So let's take a look and see what we got here. Because you shouldn't need a new battery for every gadget. Oh, look, there it is. And right here, don't forget to register your gadget. Oh, here, check it out. Look at this. All right, cool. And there it is. This is going to tell us how to do this. So we may need to read all this, right? Oh, yeah, look at that. So minimum water depth, 15.75 inches. So you can, what they're saying is that you've got to have at least 15 inches so that this thing will work and suck. You know what I mean? It can come with this extension that goes to your pump, but I don't think we're going to ever use that because I like to do, regular style one. So this tells you everything about how to set this all up, right? And yeah, I think we may have to charge the battery. The battery may have a charge on it. I don't know. Let's find out. Let's just take a look at the body here. Let's see what's going on here. Now it does have this little bit of paperwork which kind of gives you install the debris container. So you've got to install that. Turn into a stick pump mode. You can do that too. And then it tells you about the battery. Okay, so you need to know all that, right? And I'm thinking that we can do this. If I press this button here, I think this will open this up. Yeah. And then what we've got to do is we've got to install this. So if you look on here, you're going to see it's got open, close. So if you look here, you got like, there's 2 little channels. So basically you got to kind of like slide this in like that. And then you got to twist it counterclockwise like that. Snap it in. And then to get it out, you would just twist it the opposite way. So this thing here, we're going to need to clean probably after we do the, do our pool cleaning. But if you look in here, you'll see to open, you go clockwise. To lock it in, you go counterclockwise. See how I'm turning it? So that's how that works. That's pretty simple, right? And then here's your little thing that releases it. On the back, there's a little thing here and here. You see that? So I've got to start like this to match that up, right? And then I can just push it. And now we're good. So now we're all set. Now, if you want, you probably want to take this off of here. So let's just go ahead and get that off of there. Okay, we'll take that off. All right, so this is ready to go. Now, your head here, I do believe, if you look at this, all you would do is just snap it on like that. To get this off, you see how this has to come up? So there's a little pop there. You see that little ridge? So when I push this, it snaps on. To get it off, I lift it and pull it. You see that? One more time. So this little bump right here keeps it on. You'll hear a snap. See how that popped up? Off, just like that. So we'll leave that on for now, right? So this is the water hose connector. So if you're going to hook this up to your filter, it would go in here, and this is your release to get it out. And then you would hook your hose on there. All right? I don't know if we're going to ever use this. I think we're just going to use the battery, but probably not me. Anyway, let me show you how these work. All right, so anyway, if you look at these, they squeeze, right? And so when you look at this here, you're going to see there's 2 holes on it. So what you have to do is you've got to kind of slide it on here. And it's a little tight, I got to say. And then here's the hard part. You got to squeeze these and then kind of slowly shift these on top of it until they pop through those holes. You see that? So now I've got one on there, and we've got a whole bunch of them. So I'm going to slide this down, and then I'm going to grab another one. And basically, I'm just going to do the exact same thing, right? Just slide it on. And let me tell you, it does not go on easy. See that? Oh, there we go. Now I got to get it there. All right, now I got to squeeze that. Oh, shoot. The thing is, you don't want to, there we go. Now I've got it, and I got to push it and then pop it. All right, so now I've got 2 sections on. Here, let me show you. I got 1 section here, right? And 1 section here. And we've got 2 more to go. So this is going to be kind of long, right? Because you need it long because my pool's deep. So I'm going to have to get it long. So I'm going to slide this on. Oh, that one went on nice. Now I can squeeze it. And I kind of twist this a little bit with my hand until I get it. Oh, didn't get it. So I'm kind of twisting this like this with my other hand. And then I can push this and just get it to start. Once I get it to start like that, then I can push it on and find it. All right, we got 1 left, right? Here it is. And the last one has this nice handle on it. So let's go ahead and get it on there. Slide it on like that. Notice how I'm twisting it a little bit. Then I'm going to squeeze this and try to get it to twist over it. Oh, didn't quite get it that time. Okay, whoops, there we go. Now I got it. Now I'm going to pull it in, and then they pop. And that's it right there. And let me show you how long it is. Hang on. All right, I'll show you how long it is. Look, here's the handle, and it goes all the way down here. And there it is. Check it out. I've got all this stuff I got to clean up. So here it is. Here's our vacuum. There's the name of it. And here's the handle. That's a long handle. So I think we're going to be able to vacuum the pool no problem, right? So yeah, we got it ready to go. And I'm going to get way back here so you can see it. Look at that. That's huge. All right. So anyway, next I'm going to show you guys how to charge this battery. Now I think this battery might have a charge on it, but I don't know. But we'll plug it in anyway and just charge it up. You just got to find the port on it, which I do believe is somewhere on here. You just got to look around for it. Oh, there it is. So there's your port right there. All right, so anyway, here's our battery, right? And your cord doesn't come with a block, so I'm using my iPhone block. So I'm just going to put it in there, right? And then what we've got to do is just push this into that. And not too hard, right? Oh, look, I got a little curvy thing I can use there. All right, so here's your USB-C. You see that? And I just got to get it right in there like that. Bam. All right. So there we are. Look, it's giving me a light. And I think maybe that gets either it goes solid or it turns off. I'm not quite sure yet. We'll find out. But we'll let that thing charge and then we'll set it up and we'll go clean the pool. How's that sound? Well, I guess it's ready. So let's go ahead and unplug it and we'll put it in the vacuum. You know what I mean, jelly beans? Undo that. And yeah, it must be ready. Right, I'm thinking I just turn this, push it and turn it, and it locks in, but it should just come out. Oh, there we go. So this is a screw thing, it screws. All right, so now this has to go inside here. On this here has 1, 2, 3, right? So when I slide this in, this has got to go to the top. You see, like this. Let me slide this over. Right there. Okay, that is it right there. And then we push it in. You see that? And that means it's ready to go. So now we can just screw it on like this. We're going to go, righty-tighty. And I think we're good. I think now we can take it outside and try it in the pool. What do you guys think? Let's try.